Your mobile data runs out every day? But what if the internet itself could run out too? Sounds crazy, right? But think about it. Every message, every photo, every video you send takes up space somewhere. And billions of people do that every single second. So, where does all that data go? It goes into massive data centers, giant warehouses packed with servers. They need power, cooling, and room to grow. But here's the twist. The internet doesn't really run out. It expands. New servers, new cables, new satellites. It just keeps growing to keep up with us. Still, it's not endless. One day, we might hit the limits. Power, space, maybe even materials. The more we upload, the more the internet has to stretch. So in a way, it's not the internet that runs out, it's us, pushing it to the edge. How long can it keep expanding before we need something even bigger than the internet itself? Subscribe for more knowledge.